Look what the cat dragged in. Step inside, won't you? Did you think you'd get out? Did you think you were smart, little girl? I thought I could trust you. It's so rare I make a bad investment. That you'd be so greedy as to steal from me. So bold for someone so small. All my fault, really. I should have a better eye for who I elevate. You could have been someone important here one day. But you've disappointed me. And it's time I cash out. Oh, officers. Oh, convenient. I was just about to get out. They're a lot harder to get rid of than you are. We'll meet again, brat.
Hey, kid. Don't worry, I'm on the, jewelry store payroll. Did something happen while I was upstairs? The boss looked mad. Anyway, I had something to give her, but I couldn't make the trade with my partner here. I know she's had you tracking them down, so take care of it for me.